Most people don't start their side hustles because they think that they don't have the money, time, skills, and experience to do it. But with this first side hustle, all of that is irrelevant. And the bonus thing about it is it's a passive income, meaning you can make money while you're doing whatever else you're doing. It's the ultimate form of freedom. This side hustle that I'm going to share with you helps a lot of people earn a lot. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any of the tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. So going back to our topic, you know what people are doing to earn tons of cash? They are selling low-content books on Amazon. So what is a low-content book? A low-content book is something like a journal. You don't even have to write long contents, just add lines and design it, and voila! You can instantly make money. And just like what I promised you, you won't need any computer or designing skills to do this. Here at Money Kings, we want to teach you the most profitable way to earn with less effort. So what we're going to do is to sell your journal on Amazon. The good thing about it is that Amazon will handle everything for you. They will handle the shipping, the printing of your low-content book, binding it together, and making it. They will even handle the customer service. The only thing that you have to do is to design the cover and determine what is actually going to be inside the book. Like, do you want to have lines in it? Is it going to be with calendars? Do you want it to be a bullet journal? Is it going to be with questionnaire prompts? Stuff like that. The great thing is that you don't have to even be a designer to do it. Pay close attention with the next steps because I will teach you a trick to make editing and designing your low-content book easier. We're going to use a software called BookBolt. The reason why I love BookBolt is because it makes creating low-content books super freaking easy. Let me show you a live demonstration on how to do it. Creating a low-content book with BookBolt is super easy because it's literally drag and drop. For example, I'm going to be creating a gratitude journal. Thankfully, BookBolt already has a bunch of preloaded images for anything that you need. You can go ahead and add some colors, shapes, and even text. And to really make the cover your own, you can choose from the website what the cover of your journal is going to look like. Another cool thing with this website is that they have so many preloaded templates that you can use for the inside of your book. This could be dots, puzzles, fitness trackers, calendars, weight loss log, books, music, anything that you want to be in there. BookBolt probably has it as a template, and that's what's going to make this book your own. You could really create a whole new low-content book in under a day listed on Amazon, and Amazon will handle the printing and shipping. So whenever a customer buys your journal, you get a percentage of the sale. You can definitely have a passive income selling low-content books on Amazon quickly. But you need a good strategy to be successful. That's why I'm gonna be sharing 2 things that you can do to optimize your chances for success. The first thing that you would do is use BookBolt's research tool. This is amazing because it shows you exactly what the top selling things are so that you are not just putting out random books and hoping that it works. You can actually see what is working and what people are already spending their money on. In addition, they have a keyword research tool which is great because it shows you what keywords you need to put in order to get your book ranking in organic search. And that way, Amazon is doing the selling for you. The next thing that I would suggest is to get on BookBolt's weekly support calls, which means somebody from BookBolt is going to be on a call with you every single week so you can ask questions and get help. This is so helpful because you're not going into this alone. With these two techniques combined, it will give you the best chances of making passive income. However, I need to remind you that BookBolt does have a monthly subscription. But you don't need to worry because it's super duper affordable. And to make it even more affordable, I partnered with BookBolt to give you guys a 20% off discount code. You guys can get that discount code by signing up from the description box below. Most importantly, I just want you guys to stick with it and give it 3 to 6 or even 9 months of actually working hard, doing the research, getting on the calls and stuff like that. So you could start making $1,000 to $3,000 extra dollars per month in passive income. Here in Money Kings, we want you to maximize your income. So we will give you another side hustle idea. And what's great about this next side hustle is it's for anybody who has a camera on their phone. This is called user-generated content or UGC. And if you've been on TikTok, you'll see that UGC is taking over. So what is UGC? Well, companies are always spending money on marketing. And what companies are doing now is that they're trying to make their ads that are more natural for average people. This is so that when you're scrolling, it kind of doesn't really look like an ad. It just looks like it's made by some random person on TikTok. What companies are doing now is that they're paying people like me and people like you. They're saying, please make us a 15-second video and make it look natural. It does not even have to be professional. You don't need to make it in some kind of production studio. Companies are using raw videos by actual people as ads now because it works better. When I tell you people are making good money, I'm talking about hundreds of dollars per video. And these videos are only 15 to 30 seconds long. The good thing about this is that there's not really a barrier to entry to get started. You don't need to have a lot of skills. You don't need to do anything like that. All you need to do is have a good understanding of how a TikTok video would work or an Instagram would work. In order to get clients, you're going to create a TikTok account or an Instagram Reel account, and you're gonna start posting video ads of things that are just around your house. This is gonna serve as your portfolio because you're showing brands what you can create for them and your style. Another thing that you can do actually right now is to go ahead and set up a Fiverr account and put in UGC. This is another website where you can upload your UGC videos. You can also search on somewhere like Upwork and just type in UGC. And you can see the jobs that are posting. For a start, get some things around your house and make a video ad about it. Then create your portfolio on TikTok and start either reaching out to businesses. If you make UGC videos and upload them on TikTok, companies are going to be reaching out to you. In addition, you can also make the Fiverr and Upwork account. As you can see, people are making $4,000 to $6,000 a month just by creating 15-second videos. Instead of creating something like a YouTube account, which takes a while to grow, you don't need any kind of followers for this. All you need to do is have the skills and reach out to brands for UGC. Alright, that is it for today. Make sure you'll like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first to know. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.